Meanwhile, Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation (JFD) has asserted that conducting census in Manipur without prior identification and verification of illegal immigrants through National Register of Citizens (NRC) is unacceptable. As part of its ongoing agitation, the organization held a series of street corner meetings across various market areas and public gatherings along Indo-Burma Suknu Road and Tidim Road. Representatives pointed out that carrying out census is unviable under current conditions, given that thousands of displaced people remain unable to return home after more than 3 years of conflict, and free movement along the state's national highways remains severely restricted. Citing Clause 3 of the Census Act 1948, the JFD highlighted that census operations can be postponed if a region lacks stability. Consequently, the organization has set a deadline of August 6 for the government to announce a firm decision to update NRC prior to any census. JFD warned that an intensified movement will launch on August 7 if the demand goes unheeded, while also appealing to the public to hold local protest meetings through August 6.